Hello again guys, I'm here with you. In this video I will show you how to turn off autoplay on Twitter. First of all, I will show you an example how that means that this is turned on right now, the autoplay on Twitter. For example, when I scroll down, and as you can see, the video has started in the moment. What should I do now is to go on the profile section and then select settings and privacy. After that, I need to go on accessibility, display and languages. Go click on it and go on the second set that says data usage. Go click on that, and as you can see, the data saver is turned off. You need to turn it on to make sure that your videos won't autoplay and lower quality images load. Go back, and now, for example, when we go on this video, as you can see, this video is turned off, or this video is stopped until you go and tap on it to start. Now guys, you know how to turn off autoplay on Twitter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.